Bindo playing around. Go get Holly. Go get her. Oh, go get him. Oh. Holly's become the master of the bamboo. Oh.
Beautiful place. Cool place. Nice.
They have a ski shop down there, like. No, she's gonna hurry.
Out here at Free Play with doing some pinball. Pinballing it up with Laurent. Stars game is on. Yeah, losing, still good.
I say we double back.
Hydro Thunder.
There we go, there's some music.
So many donuts. Oh, the most terrifying ride of all.
Look at that creepy view. Oh, is that the Prius? It's a Prius.
In Gotham Park.
Yeah.
Rides a butt, man. Terrible. Come on, Six Flags, get yourself together. I love that ride so much. Riding the biggest ride in Six Flags.
I remember the parachute.
Going up. We're going up. We're going up. Woo! Oh, opposite. The new Aquaman. Oh. Six Flags to Cubs. Look at that big old camel.
It's so cute.
Woo! We're just going down a nice old-timey road.
Oh, yes, going for a Sunday drive.
Oh shit, you can like really press down on it.
Oh, yeah, dude, you go.
Yo, bud.
So cute.
Woo! Yep. Matching, matching.
Which is behind us.
What do you think, sister? Gonna go ride the Titan. Such a good coaster.
Here, let's go. Let's all get a picture with Titan. Maybe right here.
But living on a farm, you get used to.
Yeah, you kind of have to.
So many little good. Oh, squirrel. Point.
She's like, what are you staring
Come on.
at?
She doesn't know what to do with it. It's a cute little duck pond. We out here in Wichita Falls, kicking with the ducks. Well, I got a duck because there's branches everywhere. Oh, there's a bindi. There's a Lauren. Back to the bindi. This is a cool little park. Look at that bridge.
She's like, I don't trust it.
Come on, man.
Come on, babe.
You're so. It's the giving tree. Pretty. Let's brave the crossing. Let's go.
Go, Minnie, go. Good girl. Oh, gotta give her a treat. Oh, I thought you had him. What a brave girl! Woo!
Falls has a little RV park. $17 a night, not too bad. Dropping some knowledge on your bitch asses. Santa Fe expedition. It's kind of a sad river, but you know, whatever.
That was probably big.
The Wichita Falls waterfalls. It's funny, like the original ones, I guess, washed away in a flood.
I saw that until everyone complained and they had to make this one.